The Measure tool is available in the Tools drop-down menu. Once opened, the Measure window can be repositioned anywhere on the screen. The Measure tool provides the ability to obtain measurements for both length and area. To start a measurement, use either the Measure Distance or Measure Area button. Before you can change the unit of measure, you must first select your starting point by clicking on the map. After you have clicked your first point, you can change the unit at any time. The Measure tool works on a succession of multiple mouse clicks. Each mouse click results in a vertice point being added to the measurement. To finish any measurement, double-click your final point on the map. The result of the measurement will be displayed center relative to the drawn segments.